Yo, I've grown to understand this is better. Njengoba nongekadleli uChristmas eMlazi this year, asihambeni siyo-enjoya uChristmas with the in-laws in Eastern Cape. Yabo, zithema zethi first toll gate. Hhayi ngabona ukuthi inhliziyo ingilahle ngempela bese kuhanjwa ngempela. Ngoba sasuke emini endaweni zokusebenzela saye safika ebusuku saphuma ekuseni after breakfast siyothenga izinto ezincane salile for Christmas. So-ke sihamba siyifondela indlela yonke phela usistezi eqala ukuya e-town eMatatiyela. So ngangizibetha-ke.
Okay, screenshot.
Yabo, angisawubambile umcimbi futhi. Saya-ke saqalisa ukuthenga izonka. Saqeda ukuthenga izonka saya e-Spar sothenga into ebesey'sale khona. Then ngase ngaya e-Clicks. E-Clicks ngangiyothenga into yongimikisa ngaqeda khona ngase ngayothenga e-Pep Home saphuma sabuya. Hhayi-ke masibuya abazali bayajola. One thing kumnandi ukubona uthando labantu abadala. It gives inspiration, yazi. Kumnandi kakhulu. Yes. Hhayi indaba ayiphili. Hhayi kusayolala. Then ngakusasa ekuseni ngavuka ngalungisa ibhedi. This is Christmas day. Then savuka ngavuka ngenza ikhekhe ngaqedela. Then ngase ngahamba ngayoncedisa with breakfast. Yes, saqeda with breakfast, sa-prepare i-lunch. Sa-prepare yabo kuza mocktail wara. Kwakubhizi shem, sibhizi shem siyapheka. Siyenza yonke into shem. Nangoma-girl wenza i-rice. Sahamba sayofota outside. Kwashuthi nami ngathi angisali peace. Hhayi kwafotwa. uyabona nje ukuthi nami ngangayibekile phansi ngiyafuda. Shutha noma mizala, girl, uyabona nje ngiyashutha. Family photos, kwakuhle kwanjeyana. Yo, nengoma this side iyabuya iyasho. Kwasho khona-ke ukuthi umuntu usemzini abantu akwazi ngisho ukusela ingoma. Ngiyithanda kanje ingoma. Nani-ke, yeah. It was nice, Shem. It was a very nice Christmas. Family photos, sitting, bombering, Tonton with crooks. Kwathiwa hayi bo, amabhodo awaphelile. Sabuyela khona emabhodweni sayoqedela. But kwase kusele izinto ey'ncane. We did i-setup, kwakuhle kwanjeyana with dress, everything nje. Yabo, siphekile irayisi, siphekile itonton, so many salads. Uyabona nje ukuthi zazibondiwe, kuphekiwe. Nawo amakhekhe ngingakade ngiwenze ekuseni, ngiwaqedela kahle kahle ijeli lezi siyenzile ngayizolo ebusuku. Kwaba yinto kanjalo-ke, kwathiwa speeches while sidla ama-snacks. Hhayi-ke kwaba yilawo ama-speech. Hhayi-ke kwaba imvula yakhisimusi, iy'busiso zikakhisimusi. Savuka ekuseni ngakusasa mhla 26, hhayi bengangenza ibhedi lana. But nje ngekho into etheni yokwenza. Ngenza ibhedi. While I was busy, ubhuti umkhwenyana wahamba wayoshiya uMelusi esitedweni. Yeah, I was done with everything. Ngase ngaqala ngayenza i-breakfast. Ubhuti umkhwenyana wathi ufuna
Nazi buke uyakubona ukuthi uzoyiphakela.
seziphiwe.
Ukuthi
Hello, my name is Princess and I'm 7 years old. Today I'm gonna be talking about my Christmas from yesterday. So in the morning I was bathing and then I wear my pajamas then I was taking a picture for Christmas, and then after that we were setting up dinner so we could eat, and I ate so much stuff. I ate mango, I ate rice, and I ate cabbage. I also ate some pap last night. And then today I was eating future life. Bye.
Later on, ubhuti umkhwenyana wathi ucela ukungikhupha. Ngingamthembi. Ngitsho ukuthi udlala ngami.
hayi bu ungadikwa njani?
Ngifunela ilalithoko. Wathi ngicela ukungikhupha. Okay.
Igarage sayidlula.
Hamba-ke sesizwile ukuthi iy'ndawo ezi-right. Unfortunately-ke safika zonke iy'valiwe. We ended up being hostels. So yabona nje zonke we were turning around. Sibuya sijika. Zonke iy'ndawo zivaliwe. Cause yeah, it's a holiday. It was a holiday ngalela langa. But zinhle shem indawo zaseMatatiyela. I think we should go there again next time. Sabuyela emuva-ke afterwards. Yabo, sesibuya nje sesihlangabezwa iy'nkomo. Mina ngiyayithandela ukushutha, ngashutha. Abanye babe bedlala lapha. Later on, into challenge. Also in challenge, I was cooking a pap. Here in Kanjal, ngicela ukuthi mina ngiyakwazi ukupheka ipapa labantu abaningi. Ngihlala ney'ngane. Yes. Then kwabe kungakusasa-ke sesihamba sesibuyela eThekwini. Yeah, waphela kanjalo-ke iholide lethu, but we had fun. It was great to be in Matatiele. Thanks. Thank you guys for watching till this far.
It's connected to you.